Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. You might remember over the last few weeks that I've been showing you the progress of the makeover of my entryway in my home. So today I'm going to show you the final decorating and reveal of this little project. If you want to see where I purchased everything, then head on over to my blog and I'll leave all that information there. So if you're interested in seeing how it all comes together, then keep on watching. I wanted a more decorative way to hang this trio of circular mirrors I picked up. So I used some jute twine to loop through the hook on the top, and then I just braided the strands together till about 5 inches in length, and then I tied a knot to finish it off. And then at the other end I created a bit of a decorative loop, and then I just hung these from hooks on the picture rail that's in the entryway, and they're at all different heights and they're different sizes, and I think they're so cute and add such dimension to the room. The bottom one's kind of hung at short person height, and then the middle one is at tall person height, and then the small one at the top is just decorative because I don't think anyone's tall enough to see into that one. Next we hung this gorgeous piece. It's of white windflowers, and I just think it's so pretty and it fits perfectly in this space in its sort of portrait form. And then once the mirrors and the art were hung, all that was left to do was add the decor and accessories. I added pillows on this bench seat to make it cozy and inviting. And then on this side, this gorgeous ivy plant. And I've also added a sun hat underneath and a lantern on the bench. I think the finished result is quite charming and a lovely way to welcome guests to our home.
Nobody even cares, even though I thrash around. It seems I'm invisible, coming up for air. Nobody even cares, even though I thrash around. It seems I'm invisible.
I'd love if you left me a comment down below and told me what your favourite aspect of this makeover was. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully I'll see you all soon. Bye everyone!